Hi guys, welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. So today, as you can see, I have this lemon. I'm gonna use half of it to make yogurt culture, and also we'll proceed to make some yogurt with it. So as you can see, I've already sliced it and I've deseeded it, and I have 1.5 cup lukewarm water. And I'm going to add about 6 tablespoons of full cream milk. That's what I have now. And I'm using a half tablespoon to scoop out my milk. Yeah, so it looks like I'm adding a lot of milk, but it's because I'm using half a tablespoon. Yeah, so 2 halves are making 1 tablespoon. So stir it to break all the lumps. And then I'm using this jar to pour the milk, and you can use any jar of your choice. It's always good to use what you have. Yeah, and then stuff it with these slices of lemon. I'm attempting this for the first time, and I'm curious to see what happens. Yeah, so then we're going to wrap it up in a towel. I'm using this towel, and then the following day, bright and early, let's see what's in there. So let's uncover our jar and take out those lemon slices, and I can see some liquid there. So we're going to strain out the unwanted liquid, and this is our yogurt culture. Transfer it in another container, wrap it up with a plastic wrap, and refrigerate for use to make yogurt. So now let's make yogurt using homemade culture. Please check the link in the description, the video that I did on how to make thick yogurt using the right milk and the right yogurt culture. So we're now going to add our yogurt culture that I made using lemon. Yeah, then I'll cover it with a plastic wrap because my cover is not airtight. Put it in a, cover it with a towel, and then place it in a microwave to trap the heat. So the following evening, I forgot to unwrap it in the morning, but I'm seeing some unwanted liquid in my container. I wasn't expecting this. I guess maybe because I didn't do it in the morning. But so what I'm gonna do is strain out the liquid and see what happened. This is the unwanted liquid, quite a lot. So this is how it looks after straining out the water. This is our yogurt, and I'm gonna use this container to store my yogurt. It's not much. I was expecting a lot, and it's a little bit liquidy, but it sure tastes like yogurt. And after refrigerating it, it even got thicker. Look at how it looks. So thanks guys for watching and for subscribing. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Like and share. Bye.